Yada and yada abroad, there's only one way to safely, reliably shop online and have your items delivered to the doorstep in Jamaica. Whether you're in the US, whether you're in Korea, whether you're in Germany, in Europe, whether you're in Canada, whether you're on the island of Jamaica, shop online and have your items go to the doorstep in Jamaica. The cheapest, fastest, most reliable company that is fully insured. Yes, we make it fast and convenient with live tracking, text alerts, and email alerts. We have 4 online payment options. Our platinum cover insurance cover all packages, large and small, cheap and expensive. We've gone over 3 years without any major shipping delays. Sounds too good to be true? We know it sounds too good to be true. Check out our Instagram, where we have hundreds of delivery videos posted and thousands of followers just like you. We service the entire island of Jamaica, so no matter where you are in Jamaica, we'll get your packages to you. Click on the link below. Create your free shipping account today. There's a free £5 shipping coupon. Use it to try our service risk-free today. If you're tired of shipping companies that offer substandard services that don't even allow you to combine your packages or pay online, give us a try to click the link below.